MZOO Sleep Eye Mask for Men Women, 3D Contoured Cup Sleeping Mask and Blindfold, Concave Molded Night Sleep Mask, Blackout Light, Soft Comfort Eye Shade Cover for Travel Yoga Nap, Purple. Low Rebound Memory Foam, Soft and Comfortable. No pressure on eyes, eye space is wider and deeper than other flat eye mask, Silk Eye Mask will oppress eyes. Unique heat-bonded technology instead of glue, sturdy and durable, no easy to fall apart. Top quality fiber fabric, never stain bed sheets or pillows. Memory foam makes you feel comfortable. Inalo Sleep Mask, Eye Mask for Sleeping Women Men, 3D Contoured Cup Sleeping Mask Light Blocking No Eye Pressure Soft Eye Shade Covers for Sleeping Blindfold for Travel Nap Yoga Night Shift, Black. The sleep mask is made of high-density slow-rebound memory foam which is softer than an ordinary one, and the outer material uses the yoga clothing fabric that is breathable. Also, the lining ice silk fabric is super soft and cool, no sweat anymore. No light leakage. Are you still using leaking light sleeping masks? If so, our new sleeping mask can help you solve this problem. This eye mask is designed with a 28mm height and hollow nose bridge so that no light can leak in, and it can fit all types of noses, bring you into a complete dark at any time and anywhere. Fit all size head circumference, fully adjustable buckle strap, easy to adjust and not catch hair. Effectively blocking lights and allows your eyes freely blinking. Ideal for meditation, yoga, travel, napping, insomnia.